The science of coffee and weight loss. If you're like most people, you probably enjoy a cup of coffee in the morning to help wake you up and get you going. But did you know that coffee can also be beneficial for weight loss? That's right, there is some evidence to suggest that drinking coffee can help promote weight loss. In one study, those who drank caffeinated coffee lost more weight than those who didn't drink any coffee at all. However, more research is needed to confirm this. Additionally, it's important to note that drinking too much coffee can have negative consequences on your health, such as causing heart problems. So, if you're looking to lose weight, it's best to drink coffee in moderation. The benefits of coffee for weight loss. There is evidence to suggest that drinking coffee can help promote weight loss. Coffee, like other beverages and foods, contains nutrients such as niacin, potassium, magnesium, and antioxidants that may benefit digestion. It also includes caffeine, which increases metabolism and energy levels while also assisting with weight loss. The science behind coffee and weight loss. So, what is it about coffee that might make it beneficial for weight loss? Well, there are a few things that could be at play. For starters, coffee is a stimulant and can help boost your metabolism. Your resting metabolic rate, RMR, is the amount of calories you burn while at rest. The more active your body, the faster it burns calories and the more energy you have. Additionally, it contains antioxidants that can help protect against cell damage and inflammation. Finally, coffee is also a source of caffeine, which has been shown to help promote weight loss. How to make coffee work for your weight loss goals. Now that you know a bit more about the science behind coffee and weight loss, it's time to learn how you can make coffee work for you. First, try adding a bit of milk or cream to your coffee. This will help you feel fuller longer. Next, try adding a healthy fat like coconut oil or avocado to your coffee. This will help to slow down the absorption of caffeine, which can prevent the jitters. Finally, be sure to drink your coffee in moderation. Too much can have negative consequences on your health. So, there you have it, the science of coffee and weight loss. By following the tips above, you can make coffee work for you and help promote your weight loss goals. Just be sure to drink in moderation and listen to your body. If you start to feel any negative effects, cut back on your intake. Cheers to a healthy, happy, and coffee-filled future. Thank you for watching. Like the video, comment your thoughts down below and subscribe to the channel for more coffee videos.